Equity peaks yesterday in the stock index portfolio, some nice long trades. Down a little bit today. I'm going to show you the portfolio calculator. It's been updated on the website so you can download it. It's for the 19 system stock index portfolio. You see it trades 19 strategies, and this is really the number of contracts. So 4 of these strategies have 2 contracts each, and you see the drawdown is at 0. The monthly results are plus 10, 232.50. And you can see it recovered from that drawdown, big snap back to 0, a drawdown based on that run up. So nice gain on the month for the stock index portfolio 19 system, and the 38 system setup is almost at an equity peak. It is, as of yesterday, is minus 227.50 away from that equity peak, and you can see the drawdowns and then a snap back to 0, which means a 0 drawdown, and up 10.495 on the month. I'm going to show you where you can get this spreadsheet in a minute. You can customize this as well. Let's look at the 200K portfolio. It has almost the same drawdown as, actually a little bit less than the stock index portfolio 19 system drawdown, but it has a smaller drawdown and more strategies because there's more diversity. You have market diversity included, and so it is up 11,980 on the month and at an equity peak as well for the 200K portfolio 2020. And so those are the updates today. We are going over these this All Strategy Access webinar coming up, and you can find that on my website. You can register right here. I'm going to show you where you can get the portfolio, but go to the website, register for the webinar, and then go to the market portfolios. And you see that we've had a webinar for the diversified portfolio 25 to 50K, the stock index portfolio, which is also diversified based on methodology but not markets, while this is diversified based on markets with not as much methodology. And the All Strategy Access gives you access to all 74 strategies, so you can trade any of the portfolios, and specifically the 200K or the liquid day trade portfolio, or any of these, or any of the micros, or any combination you want. You can register for it here as well. And then if you want to customize your own portfolio, you can do so in the portfolio calculator. If you just want to see the latest results, you download the portfolio calculator right here, and you download it. It's updated through yesterday, January the 15th, and you'll have access to this spreadsheet that I was just showing you in this window. And if you want to save it as, you can go File, Save As, and then customize it. Or if you just play with these numbers, see they each have formulas in them. So if you change this to something different than the drop-down menu, if you just type in numbers, this formula will disappear and the drop-down menu will no longer work. That's okay. You can download the spreadsheet again, but the easiest thing to do is just to file, to save it as something else. You could save it as a scratch portfolio or something like that. And then you have both versions, one with the drop-down menu and one where you can just customize it and remove the formulas and type in the numbers that you want here if you would like to do that. So that is the update. Once again, if you want to register for the webinar and get more details on each of these strategies, go to the homepage, capstonetradingsystems.com, and you can register for the webinar next Wednesday, about 6 days away now from this webinar.